When it comes to improving home comfort and performance, windows play a much larger role than many homeowners realize. The style of window you choose can directly affect airflow, insulation, and overall temperature stability. Awning windows, known for their top-hinged design and outward opening, offer distinct energy efficiency benefits. For homeowners in Eagle, awning windows provide a practical way to reduce air leakage, manage indoor temperatures, and create a more comfortable living environment year-round. A tight compression seal. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is how they close. Unlike some window styles that slide or lift into place, awning windows press firmly against the frame when shut. This compression-style seal helps reduce small gaps that allow air to enter or escape. In Eagle homes, that tight closure plays an important role in limiting drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Reduced air leakage. Air leakage is a common cause of energy inefficiency. Even minor openings around a window can disrupt indoor comfort. Awning windows are designed to minimize these vulnerabilities. When properly installed in Eagle residences, they create a snug barrier that reduces unwanted airflow and helps keep conditioned air inside where it belongs. Effective ventilation. When needed, energy efficiency is not only about keeping air inside, it's also about controlling airflow strategically. Awning windows open outward from the bottom, allowing homeowners in Eagle to capture breezes during mild weather. This natural ventilation can help refresh indoor air without relying solely on indoor systems. Protection from rain during ventilation. Because awning windows open outward at an angle, they create a small overhang. This design allows Eagle homeowners to keep windows partially open during light rain without worrying about water entering the home. The ability to ventilate without exposing interiors to moisture supports balanced airflow control. Improved temperature stability. Hot or cold spots near windows are often signs of inefficient design. Awning windows in Eagle homes help maintain stable indoor conditions by limiting heat transfer when closed. Their tight seal contributes to more even temperatures throughout the room. Compact design with strong performance. Awning windows are often smaller in size, making them ideal for placement higher on walls or in combination with other window styles. Despite their compact appearance, they deliver strong energy performance. Eagle homeowners benefit from improved insulation without sacrificing design flexibility. Supporting energy-efficient living. Reducing drafts and improving insulation contributes to overall home efficiency. Awning windows help Eagle residents create a more controlled indoor environment. By limiting heat loss and air infiltration, they support a more comfortable and balanced home atmosphere. Ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Certain areas of the home, such as kitchens and bathrooms, require regular ventilation. Awning windows in Eagle homes provide a practical solution by allowing airflow while maintaining energy performance when closed. Their versatility makes them an excellent option for moisture-prone spaces. Long-term durability. Durability is essential for maintaining energy efficiency over time. Awning windows are built to maintain alignment and sealing performance. Eagle homeowners can rely on their structural stability for consistent comfort year after year. A smart investment in comfort. Choosing the right window style can have a lasting impact on how your home feels. For homeowners in Eagle, awning windows offer clear energy efficiency advantages. Their compression seal reduces air leakage, their outward design supports controlled ventilation, and their durable construction ensures long-term performance. By combining thoughtful engineering with everyday practicality, awning windows help create homes that stay comfortable, efficient, and welcoming in every season.